Hello APers. So I just want to make a quick little video here to help explain the new procedures for accessing Blackboard Collaborate so you can participate in our live face-to-face session tomorrow for 6 periods. I just want to go over those new procedures because there have been some pretty significant changes to how we're going to do this as compared to what you used on Tuesday in your Orange Day classes. So I just want to go over that real quick. So we're still going to be mostly using our Google Classroom page here for all of our work, all of our assignments and things like that. So still be accessing your Google Classroom page. This is where I'll put announcements. This is where I'm going to be putting all your assignments, right? So we're going to be doing your Unit 6 packet tomorrow. We're going to be taking a look at that. And it is not due until Sunday night, but we're going to be, if you have any questions, we're going to go over a few things in your Unit 6 packet, so that's what we can access there. All right, so all of that stuff is going to be accessed. However, you will no longer be using this Blackboard Collaborate link here. This is going to be deleted. This is going to, the county is going to get rid of all of those links here this evening, so that you will not be able to access this Blackboard link anymore to access our class. So instead, you need to go to our actual Blackboard page. So if you log on to Blackboard and you have your list of classes here, right? You're going to go to our class, Miss Schnorr's, AP World History Schnorr, okay? You go on there. Over here to the left, you have a little button called Blackboard Collaborate. You're going to click on that. And you're going to go to 6th period class, okay? Now, it is not live right now, so if I click here, you can't really do anything. But starting 30 minutes before class time, you can click on this and it'll bring you straight to class, okay, into that Blackboard Collaborate. But you have to go through our Blackboard page, okay? And you're going to do this for every time. Now, we have a recurring class, so every Thursday. So tomorrow's is the 16th, so make sure that you're looking at the 16th there and you click that session. That's going to be important, okay? Because each of these are actual different sessions. It should be the only one available to you, though, to be able to click. So anyways, so I just want to give you a quick little rundown of that and explain that for you guys for tomorrow. I'm very much looking forward to seeing all you guys, and hopefully we will kind of figure this all out together moving forward with this distance learning journey. And I can't wait to see you guys. All right, see you tomorrow.